Have you ever wondered what makes Royal Theater Carré in Amsterdam so special? Let us, from White Tulip Hostel, take you on a journey through this historic venue's offerings for 2024. Nestled along the picturesque Amstel River, Royal Theater Carré stands as a beacon of cultural heritage in Amsterdam. Established in 1887, it originally served as a circus theatre. Today, it continues to celebrate its rich traditions with exhibitions and thematic events, all while hosting a vibrant lineup of international acts such as Bianca del Rio and Rife. This year, the theatre also honors traditional Dutch performances and musical spectacles. The recent renovations have seamlessly merged modern comfort with the theatre's historical elegance, preserving the old-world charm that has enchanted visitors for over a century. Carré offers visitors the chance to explore its rich history through guided tours that reveal insights into the 19th century architecture and backstage secrets. Whether you prefer evening performances or matinee shows, Carré's diverse offerings cater to both locals and international guests. Situated just a scenic 20-minute walk along the canals from White Tulip Hostel, or a quick ride on Tram 24, Royal Theater Carré is both accessible and appealing. Budget-conscious travelers will be pleased to know that Carré also offers affordable tickets and discount vouchers available through their website. In 2024, Royal Theater Carré remains a must-visit destination in Amsterdam. Its rich history, stunning architecture, and eclectic shows ensure an unforgettable experience. For the best deals on tickets and accommodation, remember to book directly through the official websites. Experience the magic of Carré and make your cultural adventure in Amsterdam truly memorable.